getting everything put in the Ox 5. First evening in Montana. Drove the Ranger in. We're going to drop everything, and then we're going to go park it and come back in here about 30 minutes later. But this is the spot that we've been getting out of our 2 spots on this place. This is one of the spots that we think is going to be great this evening. Got this 2-track road right here, and these birds has been hanging out a lot in this bottom, in this cedars flat, sagebrush flat, and they're just in here all day long. So we've had a tact cam reveal right here on this big cottonwood, and the pictures that we've been getting of these birds, and they're strutting right here. I mean, there's turkey crap right there, literally 3 steps from the blind. So I'm sure we'll see birds. It's a matter of if we play it right. We got a spot up to the north, and we got a spot down here in the south. This is the spot we're gonna hunt this evening. Gonna set some decoys up. Hopefully we can make it work. Both got our bows, and see if we can make it happen first night in Montana. I'm excited. I've been getting pictures sent to me from Justin and Troy for weeks. Now it's time to make it happen.
That's what love does to you. You just don't even care the humans are coming by.
Well, those birds was just 150 yards down there strutting around, and this is our other spot to the north. And Troy come in here and put this Ox 5 up, put this tact cam. You can see right here, they come in here and fed cattle in here in the last several weeks. They dumped a bunch of straw. There's a bunch of manure in here, and we've got picture after picture of these birds coming in here and just in here all times of the day. And again, it's just, I mean, Troy put the Ox 5 10 steps from the pile of straw here. So
They feed them up here every winter, and whatever's left, turkey and deer, just, I mean, they love it. It's unreal what they do up here. It's always been a strutting zone up here.
You know, this spot has been, for the last couple of seasons, has been awesome. Troy's been up here, Justin's been up here. I come up here last year. I mean,
Well,
two years ago. Yeah.
That one up
I mean, this spot's incredible, man. It makes for some pretty footage, getting these birds come in here. So if we don't get it done this evening, or have an opportunity, this spot here is, man, it looks pretty good.
I've been waiting for this moment for quite some time.
Troy didn't even hunt. Opening day was yesterday. He didn't even hunt until I got here. That's a dude, man. What a good dude.
Yeah.
Let's
You
become,
remember that.
let's be on his best spots. He waits till I get here, and he don't even hunt till I get here. What a dude, man. Well, it's about 4:30, April 16th, our first day bow hunting these birds in Montana. Feels good to be back. Always have a great hunt out here every single spring. A lot of that depends on the weather, but even with bad weather, it seems like we always get it done. So the weather outlook looks pretty good for the next 5 days. And Troy and Justin has been scouting their hind ends off out here, running tact cams, setting baronet blinds up everywhere, listening to them go to roost, listening to them in the mornings. And we've all got a good game plan together. I think it's going to happen. It's a great spot. We've got 2 spots that we think within the next day or 2 should be really good. There they are right there. Walking the bank. Is that a Tom right there? See?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We're doing an interview right now. We got a Tom walking right now. See what?
There's another one over there. But we got a tree stand in right there.
That's a Tom.
Yeah.
Yeah. We got two Toms right now 100 yards from us.
And he's coming down.
Yeah. Oh, they're coming. Here they come. Are they walking?
He might see our decoys. I don't know why else he'd be strutting.
No, they're Jakes. Oh, there's the Tom strut. There's a bunch of them coming.
Yeah.
We got a bunch of birds coming right now.
We timed that just right. Comes another one. You see him back there? There are two more back there.
They're coming right over here. They're coming right over here. You better get your shit ready.
I'm ready, dude. I'm ready. Boy, did we time that perfect. We haven't even been in here 10 minutes yet.
They're coming right over here.
There's 8 strutters coming at us. I mean, we literally just sat down in the blind. And it's unreal, man.
He's coming right in, bro.
Yeah.
He's coming right in. Get ready.
Yeah. Yes. What if we get a double? How are we gonna do this? 1, 2. May not have to do it quite yet.
It's not working. Here's the other ones. Here comes the other ones. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here comes the gobblers. Gobblers behind them. Here we go. Here we go. Get ready. Here we go. Get ready, brother.
There are Jakes right there.
One in the back, the fifth one. See the fifth one go?
ones are trying to... God dang it. He looks like he's awful sick. He's kind of...
Yeah, he's kind of laid out, sprawled. Yeah. Okay, so that got wild really quick. As we was walking back into the blind after parking the Ranger, we heard some hens over here in the Cedar Flats. Got in the blind, and as I was doing my opening interview, looked up and seeing them coming, and there was a monster flock of them. There was 8 gobblers, a bunch of hens, several jakes, and one of the big gobblers committed and come right into the decoys. But I thought, got a chance to get a double, see if some of the ones in the back will come up, and they didn't. So I actually switched arrows, took off the head chopper, shot about, I think the shot was like 16, 17 yards. I thought it looked good. Troy thinks I hit him just a hair low. But they all ran over there on the levee, and we can see him right now standing there, and he looks sick. The arrow, see the arrow right there, Troy?
Yeah.
See the fletchings? So I don't know what vitals I did get, but he acts really sick. So
That arrow's at 19 yards.
is that what it is, 19?
Yeah.
Okay.
So he was probably about 17, 18 when you shot, because it kind of fell out as you...
I don't see him.
Yeah, he's still right there.
Is he?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I got him. So we see the bird that I shot, and those toms was circling around him. I don't know if they was pecking on him or trying to beat him up, but he's over there about 150 yards right now. He's just laying there. He acts really sick. So we're gonna sit here, think about what we want to do. We don't want to booger this spot up too bad, but wild hunt. First 5 minutes of sitting in the baronet blind, and dude, that was look.
Man, that was incredible.
That was crazy.
Video footage, I mean.
Crazy. I mean, you can't ask for anything perfect in that,
Yeah.
you know.
I think that...
Good blood on it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. We're going to, got the air, it's got good sign on it. We think he's laying over there, so we're gonna hurry up, make a move, and try to shoot him before it gets too late. We don't want him getting back in those cedars, so we're gonna rush over and see if we can get on him and finish him off.
Well, we decided to pick up the trail and look for this gobbler. We could not find any sign, and the outlook was looking pretty grim. We actually jumped the bird and he flew away. So my hopes was pretty low.
He didn't go through that opening. He went around and he was barely going. I'll try to get to the cedar, and if he's not there, just back out.
But I had a tag in my pocket,
Yeah.
and we decided to get back in the baronet blinds and wait till dark. And maybe the next day we would give it one last ditch effort to find this gobbler.
We decided after talking it over that we wanted to take that gobbler off top of that laydown hen, just because the way that those gobblers acted. And if these birds decide to come back through this road, I just don't think they're going to do that a second time. They might skirt us. So Troy went out there and took the one off and stuck it in the blind, and we moved one of the hens a little bit closer. So see how that works. They just acted odd, man. You know what I mean? They just acted really weird, you know. As many gobblers that was in that group, there should have been more that should have been committed and come in and just tore that decoy up.
You know, just that one come up and checked it out,
Yeah.
and he backed off right
Yeah.
away.
So we're gonna see how it works. We got, you know, several hours before they filter back through here to roost. So if they do, we'll see how they act towards it. There's a deer over there on that dike. over there. Did you hear that? Was that a gobble?
Yeah.
Right back here.
Yeah. See, we should talk to them a little bit, but just wait. They might come walking right down the road here.
Yeah.
I've seen them do that before.
Yeah. Sounded like just right here behind the blind, like a couple hundred yards.
Yeah.
Dude, I can hear something walking outside the blind over here.
I hear
Up the road.
I hear it too, dude.
Did you hear that?
I hear they're coming. They're coming.
Are they coming? Right here. 10 steps right here. He's done. Yes. What do you think about that, huh? He ain't gone anywhere. 5 steps, buddy, right in the head, son. What the heck? That was wild.
Did you hear that?
Look at him, they're still out there. Look at him, man, destroyed him. 5 steps. I'm gonna go out and get him. Smacked him in the head 5 steps, baby. Whacked him.
That's
Rocked
how
his
that-
world.
That's how you kill a
That's how
turkey.
you kill him. He's all messed up. Look at it.
Yeah. His beard's all beat up.
He's beat all to hell.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's a gobbler. He's a mature bird. And we're having fun in Montana on day number 1. I shot one 2 hours ago. Pretty sure he's dead. And then we just sat here and was like being patient. Wouldn't know it. One gobble, they walked right up this road.
Sweet.
The Lookout is presented by Horn Hunter, Conquest Scents, Baronet Blinds, River's Edge Tree Stands, Build the Bone Mineral Company, and Illusion Hunting Systems.
Day number 2, Montana. Just breaking daylight. Troy's up to bat. I come in yesterday afternoon, had a phenomenal hunt. So I'm behind the camera this morning. Set up over the spot we call Fiskajon Lane, where there's a bunch of straw and cow poop where they fed the cattle in here. They've been in here every single day. Tact Cams has just been taking some phenomenal pictures. So we've got 2 birds, or 2 groups of birds roosted right to our left here to our west. And I would say that it's fixing to get pretty wild, so hopefully we can have a great hunt. We're going to get quiet. Did not bring my bow. We're still pretty certain that bird died that I shot yesterday, the first one. We jumped him up yesterday afternoon when we went looking for him, so we're going to go back this morning after our hunt to go try to find him. So I'm just behind the camera. Troy's up the bat, and if he misses, we're gonna cut his shirt tail because it's fixing to get pretty crazy in here. He's coming. He's coming right.
All by himself.
He's coming. He's coming right in. Just take your time.
Well, you called it. I rushed that shot, is what I did. He had a short beard, but he had a full fan on him, so I don't know what's going on there, but we got another one gobbling behind us.
Well, I'm getting the scissors out this afternoon. Shirt tail's getting cut. They're getting fired up. We got some birds behind us. So, and that bird right there, I did a couple mouth calls, and he come running in. So, it's early, tons of birds. Troy's just getting warmed up. He had to have a practice shot in. He drank 2 thermoses of coffee this morning, got his adrenaline pumping so bad he was getting the jitters. So I'm gonna let him go on this one.
We're just sitting here, we got the heater fired up. Josh looks out the window. We got gobblers running into us right now.
Sure, old Jake's in the background. Gobblers in the back. Old Jake.
was another tom that come in over there too. Now they're moving off. I don't know, hopefully they come back. All them jakes didn't help anything. They're still back there strutting. Was an awesome encounter. 4 nice toms in here. But we had the street thugs that come in and pretty much ran them gobblers off. 4 hens right here. Came in, beat the decoy up. Missed the first time on a single tom out there. They came in the second time. I'm at full draw. The tom comes around the right side of the decoy and I wasn't turned quite right. I was on his head with the head chopper and let it fly. And the cam hits my knee. And the arrow drops down straight in front of him. And the rest is history.
He's done.
Oh my God. 3rd time's a charm, dude. I'm pretty sure he went down right there.
What a crazy morning.
Dude, I am literally just shaking. I think I center punched him.
Yeah, he went down right there.
Dude, my heart's shaking like crazy. I'm telling you what, these birds will drive you absolutely insane. Right away this morning, we were coming in and we had to drive right underneath the birds with the pickup. And McAllister says, well, just put your running lights on. So I'm old, I can't see to begin with. I put the running lights on and went through the gate, but I went through the wrong 2 posts. We ended up getting barbed wire. Here we got some more birds coming in.
Here they come. Get another arrow. Second one's a gobbler, I think. First one is. Oh, here he comes. Here he comes, buddy. Take your time.
Dude. What just happened? Holy crap. Wow. Doubled up on Fiskachon Lane. Holy crap. Dude. What just happened this morning? A lot. Yes. Yes. A lot just happened.
Oh my gosh.
I can't even believe what's going on right now. This one didn't go nowhere.
This has been, when I tell you, this has been the most insane. Like, we hunted 3 hours yesterday evening and 2 hours this morning. Troy literally shot, what, 4 times this morning? I shot twice. I had a crazy hunt yesterday evening, and then this morning, it's been chaos. Troy, he tried to head chop the one. Then he shot a second time, the cam hit his knee. Then we had another one come in, he shot, drilled it, it ran out and died. He was sitting there doing his celebration, we're sitting there talking. We look up and here comes another gobbler. Look, the one arrow is laying beside him. Look. He's laying beside the one arrow this morning.
Wow.
This is crazy.
And they're still just out there. All them jakes and gobblers. It's just, I mean, it's just been epic, man. I can't tell you. I can't thank you enough for being here, dude. Filming, doing everything you do. I just appreciate it all.
It's been crazy. Like, you know, these turkeys they're still all in big flocks. They haven't really busted up a bunch. And the footage is just, it's beautiful. When turkeys do what they're supposed to do and they work like that, I mean, it's awesome.
Jumped the log and tipped over.
And he is white.
Yeah, another white bird.
He is
Did you see my arrow back there by chance?
No, I didn't see the.
Nice heavy bird again. No spurs on them. These are just older birds, or
It's pretty.
what happened? Oh yeah.
The crazy adventures continue out west, my friend.
Yes.
We gotta go back and get your other one that's laying in front of the blind.
Yeah, and get some pictures taken, and I can't thank you enough, man.
Good job, dog.
Appreciate ya. Beautiful bird, dude. Look at the weight on this guy, huh? Beautiful hunt. Unreal.
Well, we wrapping up our hunt here at Troy's place, and Justin's getting ready to come out this evening, but we wanted to weigh these birds and kind of see what we got. We think this old dirty bird that I killed might weigh a little bit more, so we're going to weigh it and see what we got. 22.6 pounds. 22.6 pounds. So my bird may have been a little bit uglier, but it's definitely heavier. We hope you guys enjoyed this episode. We had a great time here the first couple days, actually not even 2 days, 24 hours at our old Montana honey hole. It's been a great 24 hours, lots of fun. We hope you guys enjoyed this episode right here on The Lookout, and we will see you on the next episode.
Well, Montana lived up to the hype once again. And even though I wasn't able to find that first bird that I shot on the first day, still had an incredible time. The turkeys did what they was supposed to do, and we did what we was supposed to do.
What just happened?
Holy crap.
Wow.